Welcome to Pick of the Week from Power Semiconductors Weekly. Top industry stories this week. Texas Instruments opened a new assembly and test facility in Malaysia, linked to its existing site for a combined 1.4 million square feet. The project targets billions of analog and embedded chips annually and creating about 500 jobs. Nexperia welcomed the US one-year suspension of the affiliate rule and signals of export resumption from China, but reported government's breaches and its China entity. It lost shipment oversight on October 13 and halted wafer deliveries on October 29 after payment issues. Supply is being rerouted via European and Asian sites under strengthened oversight. Infineon Technologies and SolarEdge will co-develop a modular 2 to 5 MW solid-state transformer using Infineon Technologies silicon carbide, targeting over 99% efficiency. The platform enables direct 13.8 to 34.5 kW to 800-1500 volt DC conversion, shrinking footprint and accelerating deployment of DC architectures for hyperscale and AI data centers, focused on efficiency, reliability, and sustainability. Micro-Commercial Components released two MOSFETs, 30-volt P-channel for driverless high-side 12-volt designs and 60-volt automotive qualified for automotive and industrial efficiency. Magnachip Semiconductor and Hyundai Mobis advanced co-developed IGBTs for EV traction inverters. Devices pass system test with Mobis targeting 2026 mass production. Magnachip will introduce industrial-grade IGBTs in first half 2026 to expand its power portfolio. I'll be back next week. Meanwhile, get your daily updates at powersemiconductorsweekly.com.